In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of Pocket Option in 2025. If you're considering trading on this platform, stick around to find out if it's legit or not. So, what is Pocket Option? Pocket Option is an online trading platform specializing in binary options. It offers a user-friendly interface, low minimum deposit requirements, and high payout rates, making it appealing to both beginners and experienced traders. What I like about it: low minimum deposit. You can start trading with just $5. High payout rates. Offers payouts up to 96%. Wide range of assets. Trade forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Copy trading feature. Allows beginners to mimic successful traders. 24/7 customer support. Assistance is available around the clock. Now the concerns. Lack of regulation. Pocket Option is not regulated by major financial authorities like the FCA or SEC, which raises questions about investor protection. Withdrawal issues. Some users have reported delays or difficulties when withdrawing funds. Aggressive marketing tactics. The platform employs pop-up messages and persistent registration forms, which can be off-putting. So, is it real or fake? While Pocket Option is not a scam, its lack of regulation and reported withdrawal issues mean it might not be the safest choice for everyone. If you're new to trading, it's crucial to practice with a demo account and be cautious with your investments. If this review helped, give a super thanks by hitting that heart icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews. See you in the next one.